ત્રણ લાઈનમાં નંબરનું પ્રોડક્ટ means we have to multiply that three numbers. There must be one even and one multiple of 3. Therefore, the product must be multiple of 6. અને મુસ્કાન કન્ટિન્યુ ફોન ના કરાય બેટા, સમજ પડવી જોઈએ કે સર ટીચર એના કામમાં બિઝી હોય. I understand that you must be having somewhat doubt. I understand everything. પણ એનો એક ટાઈમ હોય, એનો કંઈક એક ટાઈમ ટેબલ હોય, એનું ફોર્મેટ હોય, ક્યારે કરાય ક્યારે ના કરાય.
Okay.
ચલો. Among the three consecutive numbers, there must be one even number and one multiple of 3. That is, any three number if you multiply, જે લાઈનમાં 3 number multiply કરો, the multiplication answer will be divisible by 6. Always. This is an example what we have to give as an answer. Understood? Again, question જોઈ લ્યો, question શું કહેવા માંગે છે. We already did this in our last lecture. Question number 7 is, the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Okay? Verify this statement with the help of some examples. We have to verify the statement with the help of this example. Three consecutive number 1, 2, 3. ત્રણે લાઈનમાં થયા. Once we multiply, the answer will be always divisible by 6. See here, 2, 3, 4 line mathia numbers. If you multiply 2, 3, 4 together, the number will be divisible by 6. 24 will be divided by 6. 4, 5, 6 ત્રણે લાઈનમાં number છે. The total will be, the product will be 120. 120 will be divisible by 6. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Chalo. And question number 8. What is question number 8? Who will read this?
Can I, Iman?
Iman, please read.
Okay, number 8. The sum of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 4. Verify the statement with the help of the some examples.
હવે અહીંયા પ્રોડક્ટ હતું. અહીંયા શું હતું? પ્રોડક્ટ હતું. Means we were supposed to multiply the three consecutive number, right? હવે અહીંયા શું છે?
Sum.
That means we have to add three consecutive numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is divisible by 4.
Yes.
5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is divisible by 4.
Yes, it is divisible. It is divisible by 4.
Okay. Three consecutive number. આમાં બે જ આપેલા છે. Again, I'll go through with three consecutive number. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3, 4 and 5 is the three numbers together, which is consecutive in line. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is divided by 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. 4.
Same way 5, 6 and 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7. અહીંયા બે ના આન્સર આપેલા છે બેટા. We have to find for three consecutive number. What is the question?
We have to find three consecutive number.
Yes. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is
11 plus 7. 18.
18. 18 is not divided by 4. Sorry. 18 is not divided by 4. It must be a printing error. I can say that every three numbers will be not divided. Every two numbers will be divided. Two consecutive numbers will be divided by 4. As per the answers, what is given here, this is what is verified. The sum of three consecutive number is always divisible by 4. No, not 3 every time, but 2 and then 2 alter number. Alter number is divided by 4. Check here, 9 and 11, 7 plus 9, 5 plus 7, 3 plus 5. Are you getting?
Yeah.
समझ पड़े थे girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Muhammad sir,
We have to
excuse me.
हाँ बेटा बोल मुझसे.
Sir, we have to write two consecutive or three.
See, check the textbook. Textbook માં some અલગ જ આપેલો છે. In this PDF, the printing error must be there for this question. That's for sure. હવે textbook માં કયો questions આપેલો છે? I will verify it tomorrow and I will solve this for you all tomorrow. Exactly. Okay? Okay?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. So we are leaving question number 8 at a side at present moment. Question number 9. What is question number 9 here? In which of the following expression prime factorization has been done? These are the expressions given. Prime factorization કેમાં કરેલું છે? That is what we have to show here. Number 8, 24. 2 3s are and 3 4s. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are. So 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 4 is not a prime number. Are you getting? So sum number A is not a prime factorization. 56, 7 is prime, 2 is prime, 2 is prime, 2 is prime. 56 is a prime factorization. Yes or no?
Yes.
70. 2 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime. So this 70 is prime factorization.
Okay.
And 54, 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are prime. 9 is not a prime number. So which are the
So it
two?
will be-
Yes, which are the two
B
expressions
and
B and C?
Yeah.
Yes. So answer in expression B and C, prime factorization has been done. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Any doubt here? Question number 9.
No, sir. No doubt.
sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, beta.
No, sir, no doubt.
Chalo, question number 10.
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Muskan.
Can I Kulsum?
If 25 and 110 is divisible by
25,000.
25,000 is divisible by 45. Hint: 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test the divisible of the number 5 and 9.
What they are saying, 25,110 is divisible by 45 or not. Hint, 5 and 9 are co-prime. Barabar?
Yeah.
Test the divisibility test of the number 5 and 9. Have how to check divisible by 5 or not? Yeah, it is 0. So when it is 0 or 5 at unit place, that means that whole number will be divided by 5.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now by adding all these numbers, if the total is divided by 9, that means the whole 25,110 will be divided by 9. 2 plus 5 will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 9 plus 0 will be 9. Now 9 is divided by 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that means whole 25,110 is divided by 9 also. So 5 થી પણ ગયું અને 9 થી પણ ગયું, right? So 5 9s are 45. So it will be divided by 45 also.
45.
That's for sure. Why with 45 also? Because 5 and 9 થી જાય છે. That means a બંનેનો multiple પણ જઈ જ શકે ને. It is compulsory that it will go through.
Yes. Yes.
See, the prime factorization of 45 is what? 45 ને આપણે divide કરીએ prime factorization માં, right? Divide કરીએ so 5 9s are 45 થશે. Or અહીંયા 9 રાખીએ તો 9 5s are 45 થશે. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે? So 5 into 9 is what? 45. So 25,110 is divisible by 5 or 0. We have to check through what? Divisibility test method. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. Understand.
That's why we are checking it through divisible test method. So is divisible by 5 or 0? It is in unit place. Yes, the whole number is divided by 5.
Okay.
25,110 is divisible by 9 as the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. So બંને સાથે ગયું. Therefore, the number must be divisible by 5 nines are 45. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Very good, chalo. Question number 11.
Sir,
Muskan?
can I read Muskan? Yes, sir.
Muskan,
Yes.
please.
Question number 11. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is
Okay.
also divisible by 2 3s are 6.
Very good.
Similarly, a number is divisible by 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must be divisible by
Your voice
4
is
6
cutting
are
off, beta.
24? 1
Hello,
minute.
Muskan. Read
Yes,
from here,
sir.
beta. Read from here. Similarly,
Okay, sir. Similarly, a number is divisible by 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must be divisible by 4 6 are 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer.
okay. જો અહીંયા 5 nines are 45 થયું, right? 5 nines are 45 કે આ નંબર 45 સાથે જાય છે because it is going through with 5 and 9 also. But every time it will not be possible. Sometime it will be possible. 2 and 3 સાથે જાય છે તો 6 સાથે જાય છે, right? 4 and 6 સાથે જાય છે તો 24 સાથે જાય છે કે નહીં? That is what we have to check. અગર નથી જતું તો give some example to justify your answer. Check the question number 11. No. Number 12 is divisible by 6. By both 6 and 4. But 12 is not divisible by 24.
So no,
Why, sir?
sir.
So,
No.
let me clear you. કોઈ પણ number હોય, કોઈ પણ x, y, z, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, આ તો divisibility test માં જ ભણ્યા ને આપણે, then compulsory that number will be divisible by 6. Compulsory. સમજાય છે? 6 સાથે ક્યારે જશે? જ્યારે 2 અને 3 બંને સાથે જતું હશે તો. Are you getting? But in every cases it is not possible. આ તો 25,110 હતું કે આ 45 સાથે ગયું. બાકી in every number it is not possible. જે 5 સાથે જતું હોય 9 સાથે ના પણ જતું હોય અને 9 સાથે જતું હોય 5 સાથે ના પણ જતું હોય. Are you getting? But 45 સાથે જતું પણ હોય ને ના પણ જતું હોય. It is vice versa. Are you getting my point? Every time like 2 and 3 and as such 6, all the numbers do not follow that. Why? For example, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. If we take number 12 is divided by 4 also and 6 also. 4 3s are 12. And if you continue, 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 4 and 6 બંને સાથે 12 જાય છે? Yes, it is divided. Are you getting? But it cannot divide by 24. 24 ના ટેબલમાં 12 આવે કોઈ દિવસ? 24 ના ટેબલમાં 12 આવે? 24 1s are 24 થી ચાલુ થાય. So, no. Every numbers do not go with 24. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં? If the number is going with 4 and 6, that doesn't mean that every number will go and divide with 24. Are you clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Check
Yes.
that. The answer is no. Number 12 is divisible by both 6 and 4, but 12 is not divisible by 24. The answer is over. સમજાઈ ગયું?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 12. Who will read?
Sir, I.
Yes, you.
Question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me?
I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So 4 different prime factors માં કયા ચાર આવે? 2, 3, 5 and 7. Are you getting? I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So 4 different prime factors smallest kaya aave? 2, 3, 5, 7. If you multiply all these 4, whatever number you will get, that will be your smallest number. This is the riddle. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? Girls, if I say I'm the
Yes, sir.
smallest number, નાનામાં નાનો નંબર છે કયો? જેનું prime factor, for example, prime factor of 24 is what? 2 12s are 24. 12 will be having 2 6 are 24. 6 will be having 2 3s are 20. 2 3s are 6. So 3 2 2 and 2 will be the prime factorization of 24. Yes or no? સમજાય
Yes,
છે?
sir.
So in the same way, there is one smallest number whose prime factors are 4 different prime factors. 4 different એટલે શું? ચારે ચાર અલગ prime number હશે. અને smallest number છે તો કોઈ દિવસ prime number 11 ને 13 ને એવા બધા તો હશે નહીં. We have to take the smallest prime numbers only to get the smallest number. Are you getting? So what are the 4 different prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. So if you multiply 2, 3, 5, 7, you will get 210 as your answer. So 210 is the smallest number who is having 4 different prime factors. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this exercise? Only question number 8, I have to tally from textbook and I have to do it in the class from this exercise. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Chalo.
sir.
Exercise 3.6. Very easy exercise, huh? This one. You already know HCF. HCF is what? Who will tell me? What do you mean by HCF?
Can I
Yes, beta.
highest common factor?
Very good. Before I start with this exercise, Muskan, what was your doubt, beta?
Yes. That exercise 3.5 we have to do from answer PDF or you are calculating? No, that we have to do in fact.
Exercise 3.5.
Yes.
Which question you are required? 3.5 is in your desk. See.
Yes. Whole you are we have done exercise 3.5. You are calculating and in answer PDF from we have to write or you are calculating that we
બેટા
have
કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ
to
તો
write
કરવું
in
જ પડે ને પીડીએફ માં આન્સર્સ તો ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર પણ આપેલા હોય બેટા for that
Okay,
you
sir.
for that you were calling me for more than 20 times for this one simple question.
Because I want to complete my fair book.
Yeah, I understand, but anyways, let it be. Leave that topic. No problem. Anyways, you have to calculate descriptively and you have to write the answers. Okay, Muskan, beta?
Okay, sir. Thank you and sorry for disturbing you.
No problem, beta. You can call me, but you should check the time in between what time you are calling. That's it. Anyways, no problem. I was on a roaming. I was out of town. Otherwise, I would have answered you at any time if I would be in Pavnagar. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Have a nice time. No problem. Chalo. We are in exercise 3.6 now. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Chalo. Exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following numbers. We have to find the HCF. How to find HCF? How to find HCF? HCF means what?
Highest common factor.
Very good. Highest common factors. 18 and 48. बराबर ना?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do it. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 18 we got. 2 into 3 into 3. Okay? बराबर में कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
चलो 48 2
Yes, sir.
2 za 2 4 za 8 2 1 za 2 2 za 4 2 12 za 24 2 6 za 12 2 3 za 6 and 3 1 za 3. So what is the factors for 48? 48 na factor છે 2 into 2 into again 2 4 times 2 multiply by 3. Correct? 4 times
sir.
2 and last one 3. Chalo, what are the common one? 2 and 3. 2 is common here. The first 2 is common. Okay. Then 1 3 is common here along with this 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay.
No, sir.
So how to write here? Therefore, HCF of 18 and 48 are. Wait a moment. Yeah, therefore करता भूली गया sir. Therefore, okay, HCF of 18 and 48 are. What are the common factors? We got 2 into 3, which gives
6. Sir. Sir.
Sir,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Mohammed, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is not coming.
This is not coming. Sir?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Hello, Mohammed sir, your voice is not coming.
Mohammed, sir, your voice is not coming.
hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry. The line got disconnected. My network issue was there. I'm so sorry about that. Is my screen presented to you all better?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Again, I'm back. See with my screen to you all. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
So what is the highest common factor we got for 18 and 48?
2.
What is the highest common factor I got for 14 and 18 and 48?
6.
6.
Useless girls, you don't know. These are the two common numbers what we found in this. And we have to multiply that too. So that after multiplying the answer what we get, that will be the highest common factor. So 2 and 3 were the prime factors what we got common here. 2 and 3 here in this, 2 and 3. There is no another 3 here, there is no another 2 here. So there is no need of getting 3 and 2 anymore. So check the answer. Factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So highest common factor of 18 and 48, 2 3s are 6. આવી ગયો સર ને જે આન્સર આવે છે?
Yes, sir.
Now Muskan and the girls,
Yes.
those who have any doubt, let me tell you that this is the method we have to do all the sums. Sum number 1, 18 and 48, HCF. We are finding HCF here. At the end, we have to write the conclusion like this to solve the answer. Is that clear? આ ફોર્મમાં આન્સર નહીં ચાલે. જે આ ફોર્મમાં આન્સર્સ નહીં ચાલે. In all the questions, all the exercise, all the terms I am telling you from the beginning, we have to show the method. Method એટલે શું કે આ રીતે, what is the method we found to get this highest common factor? This is the method we found. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Have you all understood, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood.
Now you find the number. If you face any difficulty, I can solve it right now. Means I will solve it right here from this so that you will come to know how to get through. Or you can have the photograph so that you can easily solve at home also. Please have the photograph for these questions. A to J. All the factors. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir, got
Okay.
it.
You want me any digits that to be solved in the class out of this A to J? Girls,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you find any number that to be solved in the class, any number out of this question 1?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Question number 2. What is the highest common factor of two consecutive? A number. What is the highest common factor of two consecutive number? The highest common factor of two consecutive number is
One.
Numbers.
two consecutive. એટલે for example 2 and 3 બાજુ બાજુના નંબર છે 4
Yes,
and
sir.
5,
Yes, sir.
5 and 6, 3 and 4. આ બધા બાજુ બાજુના નંબર છે.
Yes,
આ
sir.
બધા
Yes, sir.
two consecutive number એટલે બે લાઈનમાં નંબરના HCF ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ તો એનો આન્સર શું આવે આપણે?
Numbers.
એમ
Number is one.
One.
This is one question, idiot. This is one question. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? This is one question. This is one question. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? So answer is
1.
1. In the same way, what is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers? Two consecutive even numbers. Even number means what? Two consecutive even number means what? Line ma be even number. Even number is 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8, 8 and 10, all are said to be even number. So what is the highest common factor of two consecutive even numbers? 2. What will be the answer?
2.
Same way, what is the highest common factor of two consecutive odd numbers?
Okay.
Chalo. Odd numbers. Odd numbers are what? 1 and 3, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 7 and 9. Are they odd numbers?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
what is the highest common factor for odd numbers? two consecutive odd numbers? What is the answer I wrote?
One.
Check the answer.
One.
HCF of two consecutive number. બે લાઈનમાં નંબર હોય એનો HCF શું આવે? 1. HCF of two consecutive even number, we get 2. HCF of two consecutive odd numbers be 1. Any doubt now? Anybody has
No,
any
sir, no
doubt?
doubt.
No, sir, no
Sure,
doubt.
Bachcha Party? Sure?
Yes, sir, very sure.
Very sure. Chalo, very good. Okay, chalo. Now question number 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I can read.
Iman.
Iman, go ahead and read question number 3, beta.
Number 3.
Wait a moment. Wait a moment, bacha. Chalo, read this.
Number 3. HCF of a co-prime number 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 multiplied by 2 and 15 is equal 3 multiplied by 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct of HCF?
આન્સર તમે દઈ શકશો બેટા? હું તમને એક્ઝામ્પલમાં કરાવી ચૂક્યો છું. 4 and 15. And I discuss about co-prime, if you do remember.
Yes, sir.
So co-prime of 4 and 15 is 0. Four and 15 no common factor શું આવે બેટા? If it is co-prime,
One.
1. Very good, Muskan. When
Thank you,
HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was not found by following factorization. 4 ના શું આવે factors? 4 ના factors શું આવે? 4 કયા ટેબલમાં આવે? 1, 2
2.
and 4. બરાબર? 15 કયા ટેબલમાં આવે બેટા? 1,
3,
3,
1,
5 and 15.
And 50.
So what is the common table we got?
One.
1.
One.
So when it is said HCF of co-prime numbers was found following factorization, HCF અહીંયા લખેલું છે કે highest common factor is nothing. That means is it 0? So no, it is not 0. Why? Because if it is co-prime numbers, the highest common factor will be automatically 1. સમજ પડે છે? The correct answer will be 1. Let us check here. What is the answer given? समझ पड़ी गई, girls? No, the correct HCF is what? 1. See here it is written. Answer number 3. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Perfect, ne
No,
bachcha
sir,
bhai?
no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Perfect.
so we have completed our exercise 3.6.
6.
Very good. We have completed our exercise 3.6 with the help of this question. Okay? You would like me to do ahead, or you want to complete up till here in your book?
As you wish.
As you wish, sir.
As your wish. Today I am going to give you a chance as your wish. Chalo. You want to continue with exercise 3.7, or would you like me to give you a time to complete up till 3.6 first?
Give it 10
So
for
3.7.
3.6.
Okay, I am giving you time. I am giving you, it's almost
3.6.
okay, Bachcha Party. It's almost that within 2 minutes our lecture is going to
3.7.
get over. So we are going to start exercise 3.7 in our next lecture. For today, we are keeping up till 3.6. Your homework is to complete all your sums one time in your rough book and all the sums to be finished in your fair book. And Muskan, Ilma, and those who girls are having doubt to complete their fair books, what is the process to complete? Make sure our method and the steps are required to complete the answers. Okay, bacha party? In
Okay, sir.
in some part, in
Okay.
some case, if the small answers are there or a divisibility test, at that time you can continue with the answers given. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Chalo.
Okay,
Do take
sir.
care of yourself, take care of
Okay,
yourself
sir.
very well. Enjoy your next two lectures ahead. Have a nice
Okay,
time,
sir.
girls.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Good
Bye,
Sir.
sir.
afternoon.
Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye bye, sir. Have a wonderful day.